This is Engineer Faisal Ijaz. Hope you will be fine. In this channel, I prepared detailed lectures for chemical engineers and also for associate engineers. In this channel, you will find playlists of different engineering subjects which will help you in your study, in your interviews, and also during your professional industrial life. So subscribe my channel for more videos. Hope you will be fine. This is Engineer Faisal Ijaz, and today I will present a topic, process flow diagram. So why we are studying this topic? Because that flow diagrams are used for multi-purposes. In the purposes, we can convert a large industrial process in documentation form for a best understanding, and also that PFDs are used for quality control and training of employees. It is also used to study a process for efficiency and improvements.